Welcome once again to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our 3-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we feature new releases from Lionel, MTH, and more. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Lionel Trains will be producing an exclusive and limited edition Vision Line Hudson steamer decorated as Chesapeake Ohio number 490 for the train loft. This colorful steamer is expected to arrive in late 2025 and has an early order price of $1899.95. Lionel Trains will be producing an exclusive Union Pacific Heritage Denver and Rio Grande Western bay window caboose for the Metropolitan Division of the Train Collectors Association. The cars are expected to arrive in late 2025 and carry an early order price of $139.99. Lionel Trains will also be producing a scale Legacy Trainmaster diesel locomotive in Santa Fe war bonnet colors exclusively for METCA. This model is expected to arrive in late 2025 and has an early order price of $599.99. MTH Electric Trains has announced new for 2025 a collection of Rail King Pennsylvania K-4 style steamers in 8 varieties. Models include those decorated as Pennsylvania number 5403, Pennsylvania number 5421, Pennsylvania number 5309, Long Island number 5393, Long Island number 5387, Long Island number 5389, Great Northern number 1375, and Great Northern number 1381. The models are expected to arrive at authorized MTH dealers in July 2025 with a suggested retail price of $529.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Gauge 4-bay hopper in Reading and Northern colors for exclusive distribution by Grabowski Train Store. The cars will be produced in single-car and 3-car set configurations. Each car features a unique car number, and all will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in March 2025. The early order price is $59.95 each, or $169.95 for the 3-pack. MTH Electric Trains has announced several exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Gauge number 193 water towers for select MTH retailers. The towers will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in June 2025. First up is a tower decorated for Folkson, Georgia, exclusively for Roundhouse South. The Folkson, Georgia tower has an early order price of $69.95. Next is a unique Ham's Beer water tower for Berwyn's Toys and Trains. The early order price for this tower is $74.99. Now in paperback from LSU Press is Buried Dreams, the Hoosac Tunnel and the End of the Railroad Age by Andrew R. Black. The Hoosac Railroad Tunnel in the mountains of northwestern Massachusetts was a 19th century engineering and construction marvel, on par with the Brooklyn Bridge, Transcontinental Railroad, and Erie Canal. The longest tunnel in the Western Hemisphere at that time, at 4.75 miles, it took nearly 25 years, almost 200 casualties, and tens of millions of dollars to build. Yet it failed to deliver on its grandiose promise of economic renewal for the Commonwealth. Black's study interweaves the lure of the West, the competition between Massachusetts and arch-rival New York, the railroad boom and collapse, and the shifting ground of state and national politics. The psychic makeup of Americans before and after the Civil War heavily influenced public perceptions of the tunnel. By the time it was finished, the indomitable triumphalism that had given birth to the Hoosac had faded to skepticism and cynicism. Anticipated economic benefits never arrived, and Massachusetts eventually sold the tunnel for only a fraction of its cost to a private railroad company. See the link in the video description for availability and pricing. Also new is Penn Central, The Death of an American Railroad by Peter Retsky. This book tells the gripping story of one of the largest corporate failures in U.S. history, exploring the ambitious 1968 merger of the Pennsylvania Railroad and the New York Central Railroad, two industry giants struggling with financial decline, and how their union ultimately led to collapse. By 1970, the Penn Central Transportation Company filed for bankruptcy, marking the largest corporate failure of its time and a turning point in the American railroad industry. The book delves deeply into the financial, operational, and cultural challenges that plagued Penn Central from the outset. It examines the clash of corporate philosophies between two historic railroads, the logistical chaos created by incompatible technologies, and the regulatory constraints that prevented necessary reforms. The story unfolds against the backdrop of a changing transportation landscape where the rise of automobiles, trucking, and air travel diverted passengers and freight away from the rails. The failure of Penn Central also reveals broader truths about the decline of Northeastern manufacturing, the burden of outdated infrastructure, and the difficulty of navigating an inflexible regulatory system. It highlights how the collapse served as a catalyst for federal intervention, leading to the creation of Conrail and the regulatory reforms of the 1970s and 1980s, which ultimately revitalized the American rail industry. This is not just a story of corporate mismanagement, it is a reflection of a transformative period in American history. Penn Central, The Death of an American Railroad, offers valuable insights into the lessons of leadership, strategic planning, and adaptability during a time of economic upheaval. It is essential reading for those fascinated by railroad history, the evolution of American business, and the forces that shape industries and economies. See the link in the video description for availability and pricing. And remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from some of the links in this video. And join us next Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time for another edition of What's New in O Gauge. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.